वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार, आप देख रहे हो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है शिक्षा संस्कार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बागपुर में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसा रहने वाला है शिक्षा संस्कार इंटरनेशनल बागपुर के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उसके लिए वोट जरूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बाद वोट करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है शिक्षा संस्कार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बागपुर के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
Good morning all of you. I Parul Bhati stand before you today to talk about one significant virtue that is the foundation of all relationships and interactions in the world, and that is honesty. Honesty is not just about telling the truth, it's about being real with yourself and others about who you are, what you want and what you need to live your most authentic life. Honesty promotes openness, empowers us and enables us to develop consistency is how we present the facts. It sharpens our perception and allows us to observe everything around us with clarity. Not only does honesty set us free, but it also spreads positively to those around us and inspires others to be honest as well. However, being honest does not mean being harsh or insensitive. Honesty should always be accompanied by kindness and understanding. It should about speaking the truth while also considering others' feelings and emotions. It's about expressing our opinions politely and respectfully. My dear friend, let's practice to be honest in our day-to-day life. Let's remember that honesty is not a tool but a reflection of our character. In conclusion, remember the words of William Shakespeare, no legacy is so rich as honesty. So let honesty guide our actions, let it mold our relationships and let it define our legacy. Thank you. Let us all strive to live an honest life.
ना साज रही ना सज्जा रही, ना रहा मान ना रहा सम्मान, इस दौर में रहा तो केवल फैशन का मान। With these lines, Durga Sharma started my golden and grateful views about the topic of fashion. Fashion has become a part of human life. People begin to choose clothes based on their outside performance. Fashion is an essential thing for everybody. Fashion and clothing sometimes also indicate the status of the people in some societies. Following the trend, maybe a choosing a type of accessory, color or style is what fashion is all about. Following the trend, going with fashion is like a trend, and among youth it is a remarkable statement. सब सज सबर लिए लगा लिए चार चांद, सीरत लगे जैसे चांदनी का चांद. As we all know that today world is just like a fashion world. With different interests of people, the trend of fashions also vary, and also changing the world scenario. Fashion also keep it and appealing. Fashion can boost their confidence. Fashion can be easily adopted in our daily life, but there is merits and demerits of fashion also faced by everyone in their career. Firstly, I like to give a review of merits. चलो आओ कुछ नया इंस्टॉल किया जाए, इस फैशन के दौर में खुद को थोड़ा अपडेट किया जाए. I mean to say that everyone make beautiful just because of fashion. Fashion is a good gift for acid attack patient who is victim for acid. The adult girls or the woman who is victim of acid attack and lost their natural beauty, they get the artificial beauty just because of fashion. It can boost their confidence. It can help in the gaining of sense of market and trending world. Now it's time to discuss about the demerits of fashion. ना होना था मुझे इतना अपडेट कि मैं अपना नाम तक भूल जाऊँ. मुझे फैशन में इतना गुमनाम ना होना था कि अपना काम तक भूल जाऊँ. As we all know about the Geeta Forget, she is the best athlete in sports era. When she gets selected and get admission in National Academy, where she get too much different surrounding. In a month of her training, she get attracted in different type of artificial things, such as applying nail paint, growing hairs. Then she get a distraction between a success and a main motive of gold medal for India. She lost a gold medal just because of fashion. The fashion can be success way for many persons, such as beauticians and the people who having dream in their world. Thank you and have a nice day.